Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In this video, I want to go over a question that I've been sort of grappling with, and that is, when should I take profits on my iron fly trades that I've been using on Option Alpha? So if you've been following the channel for the past several weeks, you know that I've been using Option Alpha to create a options trading bot. And what I've been doing lately is using an iron fly strategy. So this neutral strategy of opening an iron fly on SPY, 10 strikes wide, 7 DTE. And what I'm showing here in this graph are the three different variations of the iron fly that I'm looking at. In red is if I open the iron fly every day of the week. In green is if I open it Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays only. And then in blue, if I open on Tuesdays and Thursdays only. All of them have the same entry criteria. They all enter at noon Eastern time. The only difference is when I'm actually opening the trades. And if you saw in the past weekly update video that I haven't been doing too well over the past 2 months, and the iron fly in general hasn't been doing well. You can see that it sort of peaked up here in red, and then it's starting to go down because of the trending market that we're in. Now, these trades have all started in April, and they extend to the middle of June. So the question that I've been grappling with is, what is the best time? If I'm still going to use an iron fly strategy, because I still think it's a good strategy, what is the best profit level that I should be taking these, taking my money at? The free range goes until 2 hours before expiration. What I've been trading live is the 50% profit target, but it's following the same trend. It's not doing well. So do I need to adjust that profit target? Do I need to go for a higher profit target and so my wins offset my losses? Or do I need to go for a lower profit target and just rack up a whole bunch of wins? So that's what I wanted to answer in this video. And I don't know if I'll have a definitive answer, but at least I have some data that may lead to a better exit strategy for me or for anyone else that is trading iron flies. All right, so on this tab, what I'm showing are all of the trades that I've made using the iron fly bot beginning in March. So you can see the first trade was open March 13th of 2023, and then it extends all the way down to the first week of June. And obviously the trades are per line. I'm entering the credit, I'm entering the day of the week that I'm opening the trade. And then if I let it go 2 hours before expiration, what is the profit and loss? That's the free range column. Or if I'm taking profit at 80%, 70%, 60%, all the way down to 20%, these are what the values would be. Greens are wins, reds are losses. And then up here in this bar chart, you can see for each row, I have the win rate as visualized by this donut chart and this percentage right here, the title or the profit target of each of these strategies, and then the total P&L over here on the right. So if I just set the slicer for every day of the week, Monday through Friday, these are the results. You can see in terms of total P&L, a 50% profit target is the best performing. However, in terms of win rate, the 20% profit target is the best. What I found was pretty telling was the linear relationship that you see between the profit target and also the profit amount, as well as the win rate. And you can see 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. So it peaks right here, and then it starts going down and just sort of levels off right here. So if you're going to take profit, it looks like if you want the most money, go for a 50% profit target. If you want the best win rate, go for the lower one at 20%. Now, that's if you open it every day of the week. So let's just look at Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, and then we sort of see the same thing. We sort of see it peak up here at 50%, come back down, but then it shoots back up, 70, 80% being the best right here. So definitely closing before expiration is always going to be ideal. And then if we look at Tuesday and Thursdays only, and this is what I was doing live right here, 50%. So again, this is one of the reasons I chose my 50% profit target, is because that seems like what the data was pointing at. And maybe, again, everything was just going well because we were in a range-bound market. And then once we started choosing a trend, then everything just sort of fell apart. And is the iron fly a bad strategy? No, I don't believe it is at all. I just think I need to be a lot more aware of what that trend is in the market. But I think the the parameters that I was setting for my bot, they seem to be pretty good. 50% profit target. Ironfly, the widths are fine, the ticker is fine, but what I'm thinking now is going for lower profit target. Now you can see the win rate is almost 85%. So yes, you're making less money, but you're not going to be in the trade for very long. Unfortunately, the data that I don't have, though I think would be very useful, is a time and trade. And I believe there are other traders on Option Alpha that have that data. But with a lower profit target, you're just not going to be in the trade for very long. And hopefully you don't have a lot of orders stacked up. And then once the market swings to one side or the other, it knocks out a lot of those winners. And that's also another thing that happened to me. So yeah, obviously there's advantages and disadvantages of moving these parameters. I don't want to optimize my strategy just on one parameter. I want to sort of be even on all the parameters so that overall I can weather most market conditions. So anyway, hopefully this data is useful to you by looking at these different profit level comparisons using the Ironfly. If you have any questions about this data set, then please leave me a comment down below. I'll try to answer it as quickly as possible. I'll probably throw this data set up in Option Alpha as well for other people to take a look at. But in some upcoming videos, what I want to do is I want to propose some ideas on how we can trade with the trend using the Ironfly or using a different options selling strategy. So be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can be notified when those videos come out. Until next time, trade wisely. Take care.